2020 Gladiator 3.6 liter with some giant rims and wheels. They're 40s by 15.5 by 22s. Look at the stance on this beast. Double winches, all that cool stuff, dude. I love it. Big old lift. Anyways, let me show you guys what it looks like under here. Cat there, cat there. Then the equal length loop over here. Then what we did, took everything else off. Ran a pipe, there was a resonator here, a muffler, and another resonator back there. Took all that off and installed BIGBOZ 4s for him in the place of the muffler. Because you know what? Why not? We tested the other ones. We tested Borlaug, we tested straight pipe, and BIGBOZ. And BIGBOZ won. With a turn down because he's going to put train horns up here and all that. He needs all that clearance. So we said, we got you, we'll hook you up. All right, that's what it looks like right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And stay out of his way because he's a biohazard. He'll mess you up. And there's the resonator that was on it, the muffler, and the other resonator over here. All right? Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Here we go, guys. BIGBOZ on a Gladiator. So it's got tone to it now. Yeah, that's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97.1. It's a good looking truck. That's perfect. Go on and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You want that black resonator? Go ahead. What I like about BIGBOZ is no rasp. The way they have the cuts and perforations inside of there just give it such a clean, deep tone. It's clean, dude. I'm glad we tested it. Again, let you guys hear it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Oh, I like that front end on it. That's cool with the lights. He says we're the second people that actually ever done any cutting or welding or anything on it. Oh, that's gnarly. Sounds good. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.